Friends, so today we will learn about the event triggers. So how to run a pipeline when there is an event. So by event, what we mean is like when we generate a file or when we load a file somewhere. So that is called as an event trigger. So here I will show you. So this is my pipeline, and to create a trigger, what we have to do is we have to click on new or create, and then there is an option to create a new trigger. So we created a new trigger here, and here I can give the trigger name, then schedule type. So for this we have to select the storage, this thing, and then we need to select the Azure subscription. So we can select anything. Then we have container name. Let's say we'll give some XYZ name, and then so I will select the right one. Storage is no. So now we give, and to give the container name, we must give starting and ending slash. Then after that, we have to give the start. We have to give the like format with which the path is starting. So here we have to give like this, and the file is present in this location level 3 US. So we have to give like this level 3, we can give US like that, and also log path and switch. So we can also give the file name itself or the file name .csv. If we don't give anything, it means it will pick everything, all the file formats, so whatever file we load in the folder, right? So we have to select the blob created. So if the pipeline should run whenever there is a file created or loaded, then we have to create the blob created, or else pipeline should run when a particular file has been deleted. Then we need to select the blob created option. And here we have two more options: ignore empty blob and ignore empty blobs. So we have to select yes or no. So what it will do, if we load any empty blob like success file just to trigger a pipeline, then we can select no option. Otherwise it will ignore any file which has been loaded and does not contain anything, and then we need to select the start trigger on creation option. So these are the things which we need to keep in mind. Let me complete this part. So next yes, this will show me the file, like whatever content which is present in that location. So here we have success files. Okay, so there is one mistake. Okay, now we need to click on continue. These are the parameters which we have created in the pipeline. So we are seeing this. So pipeline has been created. Now I will show you, like when we upload any file, then it will first let's delete this file. And then I will upload a file manually here. Now you will see that it will trigger our pipeline. So see, let's click on the pipeline and say, see this receptor order master has been triggered by the trigger T address outbound. So the trigger is already there. So the trigger I showed you, I created a new one, but there was already one trigger for the same thing. So this has started that trigger. This one we created a dummy trigger, but we will not use this one. So it has started with the already existing trigger. So this was the simple example of how to create the event based trigger.